Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about browser context. Browser context by using browser context, how we can able to open our browser, and also whether we can able to open simultaneously two different browsers, like two different sessions. Like this, we can able to see. Okay, this browser context we can able to use the browser context, and we can able to open our Chrome or Firefox or WebKit. Anything we can able to open here. Before that, you need to import that page, and then browser context, and Chrome. Okay, and then we need to use for here constant browser equal to await chromium.launch. This launch in that particular browser. Okay, and here there is a headless mode, whether you want to open a browser in headed mode or not headed mode. Okay, that we need to specify, and also the channel name which is coming from here we need to reuse. Okay, so, okay, and then we can use for this browser context, wait, browser context colon browser context with the reference, and here we can able to use for await browser dot a new context. Okay, and next we can use for context page colon page equal to new, sorry, await browser context dot new page. Okay, this will open for new page in a Yoga session. Okay, and then constant page dot go to, and here we can specify for www.html.com. Okay, then we can wait for some time to see whether we are able to open for our particular session or not. Okay, 10 seconds. Now I'm going to specify here header node in this Chromium whether we are able to open or not. Yes, we are able to open. Okay, now we are able to open, right? Now, okay, and then we can after 2 seconds I'll make for one expected message, expected await expect page dot to have URL. Okay, to have URL. What URL you have? This is the one. Okay, and then this particular one, after this we can see for whether it will be true or false. If test case is got passed, then we can open for new session and we can see whether we can able to verify or not. Okay, our test case got passed. Okay, and then here I'll open for one more thing called again constant browser one colon browser equal to await. Now again I'm going to open for Chromium launch. Okay, Chromium launching with the new sessions. Okay, not going to use for same one but a different. Okay, channel. Here again I'm going to open for new browser. Okay, constant browser constant one await browser one dot new constant. Okay, and then page one colon a page await browser context one dot new page. Okay, and then here again I will take that same, this is the URL await page one dot go to, and this is my specification, and await page one dot await and that is 2000, and then I'm going to specifying like a await expected page one dot to have URL. Okay, in case maybe you'll get to one question, you are opening separate subtab after you are making this exception and all, this particular concept is there, right? You can cut and you can paste it for before opening the URL as well. Okay, like this also you can, it will separate browsers, it will open one time. Okay, see here it is launched and here again it is launched. Maybe you can see there are four, right? In my browser inside my local, there is some setup is there. Due to that, it is happening for four browser. It is shown here. Okay, but it is a test case got two only passed. Okay, in your case, it will open for one. If two also, don't worry about it. Both the same action only it will perform. Okay, it will take as a single time. Okay, and this is the way we can able to open our browser. Okay, and even here I mentioned for expected and to have URL and all, right. Even you can use for login and login to the application and then log out also. Then also it will work for you. Okay, even you can able to launch for here is Firefox, or you can able to use for WebKit. Anything you can able to launch it by using for browser context. This browser context every time it will open as a new context. Okay, whenever you want you can able to reuse this kind of things. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.